Welcome to this section. We are going to talk about the networking devices inside any network and also how they work in the real life. So this is going to be an important section. There are lots of networking devices that contribute to make a network possible. So with the help of those devices, we can set up and establish a network. There are different types of networking devices that works on different layers of the OSI model. For now, you don't need to worry about what is an OSI model. We will learn about the OSI networking model in detail in the later sections of this course. Some of the networking devices we are going to discuss are the repeater, the bridge, the hub, the switch, the router, and most probably the multi-layer switch. So let's see what these devices are and how they work by using Cisco Packet Tracer simulation tool. So we will start with the repeater. A repeater is a simple networking device whose job is to repeat the signals inside the networks. So as the name suggests, the repeater repeats whatever signal is sent through it. This is a kind of retransmission of the signal or the data. So in the most simple terms, a repeater retransmits and boosts the signals from one device to the other device. The retransmission is useful in cases where the attenuation needs to be taken into consideration. And by attenuation we mean the loss or degradation of the amplitude or the strength of the signals. While the message or the signal is on its way from the sender to the receiver or from the receiver to the sender, it gets attenuated. This attenuation or loss of energy can take place due to a leakage of signal from the cable or from the climate change or from the temperature or from any radiation outside the environment. The repeater makes sure that the loss in this signal or the attenuation is covered up. This boosting of signal is beneficial for networks where the nodes are at larger distances from one another. But there is a limitation up to which a repeater can boost signals. A repeater being only a two-port device, that means it has only two ports, it can repeat and boost signals only for two devices that are connected directly to it. So it is a two-port device, and that means there can only be two connections possible to the repeater. Another point to be noted is that it works on the physical layer or the first layer of the OSI model. Again, you don't have to worry about what is a physical layer and what is the OSI model. We will talk entirely about the OSI models in the later sections of this course. Till then, you just have to remember that a repeater is a two-port device that repeats the signals from one device to another, and it works on the physical layer or the layer 1.